Hey everyone, welcome to our new video series where we showcase the power of OpenAI's language models to solve real-world challenges. In this very first video, we'll show you how to turn a ton of unstructured contact names from a legacy CRM into beautifully formatted first and last names using OpenAI's language models. Let's go! Alright, we'll kick things off with the challenge we were presented a couple of weeks ago by a customer. So this customer was looking to make a change from a legacy CRM system to a HubSpot. And when exporting the data, what we realized was that in their legacy CRM, they actually had full names in there instead of the contact names formatted as first name and last name. So there were more than 10,000 of those names, so manual cleaning was not an option. And to make things even worse, sometimes those names had like double first names, double last names, sometimes middle names, and sometimes they were completely reversed. So you had last name, first name instead of first name, last name. So what we did was we were using OpenAI's Davinci model, and we wrote a quick Python script, and we'll show you what that looks like now. So we have a CSV with the names that looks like this. So you can see the first names and the last names, sometimes doubled, showing the complexity here. And then here we have our Python script that looks like that. You can pause here for a second if you want to. And now we're moving on to the fun part of all this. So actually executing the script and cleaning up those non-formatted names. So we'll start our Python script here. Wait for the progress bar to appear that we included there just to see what's going on, especially for large data sets. And in a separate tab, we can take a look at the live results. So in our new first and last CSV, we can see that the first and last names are beautifully comma separated, so we can import them right away in our new HubSpot CRM portal. And further down below, you can see, just for your reference, the names that we used as an input. So the first and last is then live updated by the Python script. And that's it. Problem solved, customer happy, and a pretty good example of how easy it is to leverage OpenAI's Davinci model to solve real-world challenges. All it took was a little bit of Python script and a couple credits that we spent on the API. And that's already it, saving a lot of hours and brain power on manual data cleaning. So yeah, it's as simple as that, and stay tuned for more of these videos where we use OpenAI's language models to solve real-world challenges.